Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing some Temu electronic components. I have a bunch of things from buck converters to some new tools that I might be using for some future projects. I spent about 70 Canadian dollars on all of this, but I think it'll be worth it. All right, to start it off, I have a bunch of these battery charging modules. These were pretty cheap. Don't look too Chinesium, so I think they'll be pretty good, but I'll have to find out. I'd say give it a solid 7 out of 10. It's a little janky on some of it, but these. And what these are, if I can get it open, come on, is 20 555 timers. And besides there not being an indicator dot, they are pretty good. Built a circuit, which I can show you guys on this actually working. There we go. This is about 8 volts, but it shouldn't matter. I've ran this on 5 too. It's a little janky. Pretty simple. And they work too, and they were like $3. I don't know, I'll put it up on the screen, but not fake. They work. Doesn't get hot or anything. Pretty solid. Next up, a little bit more boring. Ton of heat shrink wrap, which not sure 100% what I'm going to use these for, but I had to get to the $35 limit on the items. Move those over there. Now, next one, I didn't really mean to order. I meant to get 5mm ones, but I got 150 supposedly in here, which I don't think that's true, of these tiny 3mm ones, which I don't know how I'm gonna use these for. If anyone has any ideas, please let me know. A little bit more interesting now, I got a digital caliber, which seems to be pretty accurate. I don't know, I think it works. But either way, pretty good. May or may not work. A little not great quality, but should be useful. Next up, I'm gonna bundle all this stuff together. This is 2 items, but all for the same purpose of using these 9-volt batteries on my next project here. I'm not going to be using all of them. It's going to be one or the other, whichever one fits. But seem pretty good. This one's a little hard to get the battery in and out of because of this weird plastic piece here. But I don't know. Maybe like a 5 out of 10 for this one, and he's got like leather. 8 out of 10, pretty solid. By far the bet, or second best, I'd say, is these little 0.49 screens, which will definitely make some cool stuff with this. I might put in the next one depending on how much current I can use, but I think these are gonna be really cool. Next, crap ton of these proto boards, which some of them are questionable quality. Like this one, the holes are not all the way through, or not the best. But I mean, for how much they were, I can't really complain. Now, I believe this is desoldering wick. Oh, okay, kind of boring, but I'm sure I'll be using that for something. Some more switches, kind of like the one I used in my last video, but less ghetto. This is also going to be the next project. Not going to spoil it yet. I got 2 more things, which kind of group together. 3 more things, before the final one, which is by far the best. I got a bunch of these boost converters. Seem pretty solid. They might burn my house down, but we'll have to see about that. I think they're pretty good though. Some buck converters. Also pretty solid. Potentiometer. Some resistors. This one's much more complicated. I don't even know where to start. I don't know what this is either. Second last is some of these project boxes, which I've already been kind of messing around with them. Pretty solid. Should be perfect for what I'm trying to do. Now, lastly, here we go. Look at this. Some helping arms. Magnifying glass. I don't know if you can see. Try to line it up on it. That's definitely going to be useful. I know it's not that cool, but like, I'm very happy with this, and I cannot wait to use it. Now, all in all, I think that is everything, unfortunately. So definitely subscribe for my next video, because that's going to be actually cool, where I make an actual video about me doing something. Is Temu worth buying it? Yeah, I mean, most of this stuff is pretty good. Some of it's a little bit flimsy and cheap and Chinesium, but otherwise, I think money well spent. Definitely worth it.